Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P day trade setups for today. So welcome to August. It's a new month, and we closed off the month fairly strongly. If you look at that, we pretty much closed on our high. And if you look to the left, you can see lots of selling that happened before the breakdown in March. But this is poised now for firstly the gap that we have. We'll get the gap now, and then we have the all-time high. Okay, so on the daily perspective, we ended up with another pin bar. So it's two pin bars in a row, which in a normal world would be a little bit concerning. But yeah, I think this is the target we have right here to start with. Okay, so I'll give that to you now on the lower time frames. So firstly, if you have a look at the 3 hour, you can see very, very choppy. We are, sorry, I don't want that. We are very much range bound. There's our range. There's our top of range. So we've been mucking around in this range, and we are poised at the moment for a breakout. Breakout of this area here of 32.82 gives us the gap, which is 3333. Get through that gap. The next target is the all-time high of 3412. I think we'll probably muck around at 3,400 for a bit before pushing above that. If we do get above that and find support up there, then 3,500, then 3,600, and so we will continue. So at the moment, we are top of range. A little bit of caution. This buying frenzy going into the close is it's something to take note of, especially the buying that happens going into the close at the end of a month, the end of the week. Okay, so we've had this massive move down, so you would expect another move to the upside. Okay, pretty big head and shoulders here as well. So here's your shoulder. It's like a double head here, and shoulder could also be seen as a double bottom as well. And if you just use that as your measured move, if I just use that as my measured move, you'll see we are looking at 3360 as the measured move target, which is just above the gap. Just get to the gap quick. The gap was so long ago. There it is there. Okay, so there is a little bit of resistance here. Okay, you can see all these tails to the downside, so obviously that is a secondary target. Okay, so breakthrough, we're looking for gap 3333. Get through that, then we're definitely looking at between 3350 and 3360. There's quite a bit going on here, quite a few tails that are bouncing around here. So I think for me, probably something like that. 3350. Okay, so anyway, that my play for today is really looking for opportunities to buy. We are coming in off an area. Look at all these tails here. We've broken past it. We've tested it at the open, and we're testing it again. So I'll be watching this area with some interest during Europe Open. Definitely looking for this gap. If not today, probably tomorrow or Wednesday. Okay, so that's kind of the short and sweet of what I'm looking for at the moment. Nothing really much I can add to that. Hope it helps you, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.